partner Roda Sikat of Parents France. Grabe, hawak ko na ngayon ang cheque mo na kinita mo ng November, December. Magkano to? Grabe, ang laki. 551,000 pesos. Grabe, sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Sobrang proud ang buong Easy Management sa'yo kasi even pandemic, even kumikita ka na ng maganda dyan sa France, sa Paris, France, still, ginagawa mo pa rin ang negosyo natin sa online.
Miss Roda Sikat for actually releasing her check, 500,000 in Philippine peso in just 2 months in the middle of the crisis. Can you imagine? It really proves that our business is a crisis-proof business. That even you're an OFW or either you migrated already in Europe, pwedeng mong gawin ang business of empowered consumerism of Economy Driver Plan 2.0.
Listen to your coaches. Listen to Coach Roda Sikat who made this much part-time. And congratulations again, Coach Roda, for achieving this feat. I know this is not the first and this is not the last time you will earn this much. I know that you could double, triple, or quadruple this income, even on a part-time basis. But if you're really serious, I challenge you to become full-time in Europe. So, Roda Sikat, Coach Roda, God bless, and I hope you have more power this year, 2021. Again, congratulations.